Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dosto. How are you? Today for lecture part 2. Today topic Governor Punjab after 17 governors of Pakistan. The number 18 Mian Muhammad Azhar. His time period was 6 August 1990 to 19 April 1993. Number 19 Chaudhry Altaf Hussain, working as acting on provincial government Punjab. His time period was 19 April 1993 to 19 July 1993. And after this, Lieutenant General retired Muhammad Iqbal, working as acting of provincial government Punjab. His time period was 19 July 1993 to 25 March 1994. After this, Chaudhry Altaf Hussain. His time period was 26 March 1994 to 21 May 1995. After this, Chief Justice Chaudhry Muhammad Ilyas, working as acting of provincial government Punjab. His time period was 22 May 1995 to 19 June 1995. After this, Lieutenant General retired Raja Sarup. His time period was 19 June 1995 to 5 November 1996. After this, Khwaja Ahmad Tariq Rahim, working as acting of provincial government Punjab. His time period was 5th November 1996 to 10 March 1997. After this, Shahid Hamid. His time period was 10 March 1997 to 17 August 1999. After this, Zulfikar Ali Khosa. His time period was 17 August 1999 to 12 October 1999. Numbers 27 Lieutenant General retired Muhammad Safdar. His time period was 25th October 1999 to 27 October 2001. After this, Lieutenant General Khalid Makbul. His time period was 29 October 2001 to 15 May 2008. After this, Salman Taseer. His time period was 16 May 2008 to 4 January 2011. And number 30 Rana Muhammad Iqbal, working as acting of provincial government Punjab. His time period was 4 January 2011 to 13 January 2011. And number 31 Sardar Latif Khosa. His time period was 13 January 2011 to 22 December 2012. After this, Makhtoom Ahmad Mahmood. His time period was 25th December 2012 to 9 June 2013. After this, Chaudhry Muhammad Sarwar. His time period was 5th August 2013 to 29 January 2015. At number 34, his time period was Malik Muhammad Rafiq Rajwana. His time period was 10 May 2015 to still date. And these are all of provincial governors of Punjab, Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Hope you gain knowledge. Kindly subscribe my channel. Inshallah it will be helpful to you in your life. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.